Look at this little beauty I've picked up. Nice little bench saw. We have a bigger size in the shed there, but this is a nice little sort of portable one. Oh, let's have a little look around it. It is actually a PowerG. Let's see that. PowerG. Looks a tidy little thing. I believe it is, it needs bushes. So he's chopped it right off there, so no problem. We will we'll put a new cable on that, and I think we'll give it a go and see what happens. At least I can turn. Oh shit, boy, that's tight. Oh, I get something for that. Better. Get it. There we go. You expect it to come right up. Let me take this right off. Yeah, it's good. I think it'll clean up nicely, this. But I think what we need to do, first of all, is to get a new cable on that, get it plugged in, and let's see what happens. Alright, so I found a cable. It's probably not as heavy duty as what should be on, but it's be good enough to give it a go. So let's get that put on. Wire this back in. I'll try to say plug it back in. One. Oh, I've got that plugged in. Well, that's the power on. I can't see anything smoking or sizzling away, so that's a good sign. Oh, you can hear it buzzing. Right. So the actual, let me turn that off. Well, you could hear that buzzing, so obviously it was right in saying that it needs bushes. We'll get that dismantled. I'll get some proper cable for it. Blade off. I'll swing this from the here. We'll need to take the blade off because we'll need to get to take the motor off. Running, we will we'll get some proper. See if we can get some proper screws for it. take the blade off. Hopefully that should... come out. It'll come out. Come out with the bottom end. Duh. So looking at it, looks like there's 4 screws here. On the other side, so if you can see, but get them off, the whole lot should come out. Here we go. There's our motor. First do it a bit, brush up, clean up. Yeah, I might just need a clean.